Now, the moment you deliver your service, you are bound to raise an invoice. Now, raising an invoice on a plain piece of paper or on a Word document is not the correct approach, because raising an invoice is also guided by the GST rules, where it says that the moment you charge GST on a particular invoice, it becomes a legal tax invoice. And amongst other particulars in this particular tax invoice, you need to ensure that you mention your GST number, your place of supply. Now, what is this? If you're sitting in Mumbai and you're providing services to a person in Delhi, then for the purpose of providing services, your place of supply is going to be Delhi. That's a location of recipient, even though you're sitting in Mumbai and providing services online. But under the place supply rules, it is said that your POS, as far as service provision is concerned, will be the place of the recipient. That means the other state. And therefore, your service would be an interstate service and you'll have to charge IGST. So POS or place supply mention is important. Along with that, you also need to mention something that people ignore is the SAC, Service Accounting Code. Now, this is again prescribed by the GST department, where you have codes for goods as well as services. For example, 9983. These codes come in 4 digits or 6 digits. 9983, for example, is for information technology services. So you put the code and the rate attached to this code is, let's say, 18%. So the rate of GST is not something that comes from the air. You will have to determine from the SAC code. The SAC code will prescribe the rate for that particular type of service. And of course, mention the type of GST and GST amount. In this particular case, if you're providing interstate supply, it becomes a IGST. So these are the important points to be kept in mind as far as raising a tax invoice is concerned.